Yay. And another one. Riff Raff diesel. Injector cup puller. We'll do a Tool Talk Tuesday about this real soon, I promise. For the last one. One last time. It's different when you're working with the camera because, you know, you gotta have so much more lighting so everyone can see what you're doing. Then all the lights get in the way. It becomes a struggle. Stay over there. Not in my eyes. Where is my other bolt? There you go. Reverse your ass. Okay, put your away. Okay, nice bite. Light pressure. Gentle push down as we turn her in. Cranky, cranky. Feel it grab that cup. Very smooth motions. One last. Okay. Watch this one pull. That would be funny. And crank her off. Up. I like this vessel tool. Vessel micro ratchet or whatever they call it. Rechargeable mini wrench is what it says. It's a great tool. We will do a Tool Talk Tuesday on it, I promise. Okay, and cuppage. Two. Oh, that one was probably broken too. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna assume that's a leak. Maybe a crack all the way around the top. Oh, maybe there too. Yeah, probably another bad cup here. Alright, so that's all of them now. Holes are clean. Well, they don't have cups in them. We need to clean them now. That'll be the next thing. Raff Tools 7.3 injector puller. Made in the US. Get off of Riff Raff Performance, dieselperformance.com. This is for the late model 7.3. I believe that's 99 and up. This is just the puller. You can also buy these brushes. And this is the cup installer. Again, this is a kit. I'm pretty sure you can buy these individually. I don't know why you would, but you can. Everything is machined very nicely. It's a great kit. I've used it multiple times. Still works as good as the first time. me dumb it down. I'm from a small town. Some nature little joke now. To get everything I wanted in this lifetime, I had to put my beliefs on the front line. And every song that I sing, it's always been you and me. It'll be another late night, and then 8 hours after midnight. One daughter blessed. My time. I had to put my beliefs on the front line. It's always been you and me. It'll be another late night. 8 hours after midnight. And it's always been you and me. It's so bulky, I can't see nothing. I think we got something accomplished. Oh yeah. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's see, can I do it without losing the camera? What you see down there? All the chips in the previous cup. Yeah. Good idea. Why didn't I do that yesterday? What? Where you parked it? Oh. Hey man, Ralph's not here. Oh god. Oh, that guy. So what? You started the van now. Homeboy parked that truck behind it. Awesome. He does know that, right? Already. It's the final wipe down. Nice. See, those are what we're trying to get out of there. I don't know if you can see all that or not. Those are pieces of retaining compound. That is one of the main points of what I'm doing right now. Is trying to get all of that crap up and out of there. Holy Christ. Oh, dude. Yeah, a little concerning over there. Very nice, very nice. One last wipe. The big brush. Rag on it. Raggy poo. Just for you. Nice. Okay, quick mirror action. Black mirror project. Weird ass show. That looks phenomenal. It's like I've done this before. Now we're just gonna give her a second to dry out while we prep everything else.